Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another fun video. For today's long-awaited video, it is happening. I am finally going to review the Dyson Airwrap for you. Yes, I am going to be reviewing the Dyson Airwrap that everybody and their mother got for Christmas, including myself. The reason it's taken me so long to make this review is because I've been testing it out, trying to get the best possible review for you guys. I didn't want to just jump on and do a first impressions. I really wanted to kind of work with the tool and see if I can get it to work, you know, the way I wanted it, because I knew it was going to take some practice. Here is the beautiful Dyson I got for Christmas. We will be testing out every single attachment that it came with so you guys can see how it is and how it works with my type of hair, which is already starting to dry. I'm gonna have to probably go wet it a little bit. And yeah, we're gonna test it out together and see what the results are like. So if you wanna see what I think of the Dyson Airwrap, which may be a little bit different than other thoughts you've seen on social media, then keep on watching. Before we get started, I just wanted to stop because the clothing company Mott and Bow reached out to me and sent me some of their clothing. So I wanted to just stop and show you guys what they sent me because I think it's really cool that they reached out to me and let me try on some of their really cute, comfortable, basic clothing. Yes, my hair is already done because this is future me. Don't pay attention to it. If you want to see how I got this hair, then definitely watch the rest of the video. But I just want to stop and give you a close up on the top and bottom. Thank you so much, Mott and Bow. I will put everything in the description down below if you like what you see. So let me show you a little bit of what Mott and Bow sent me. So one of the things that they sent me is this cute little boxy tee. I'm gonna back up so you can see it. It looks like this. I tied it up because I really like when like boxy tees are like tied up. I think it's really cute. I also cuffed the sleeves and I layered it with some gold necklaces. I feel like boxy tees are so versatile and that's why they're really nice. You can pair it with a jacket or you can tuck it in, tie it up, and kind of make it your own way. And they also sent me these really cute jeans. They look like this. They're really cute. They're not exactly high-waisted, which is what I'm used to. They're like mid-rise. Let me try to back up so you can see the bottoms. They look like this. I just paired them with a little tiny baby heel since springtime is coming up and I feel like those look really cute with jeans. So I just wanted to give you a little close up. They're super comfortable. I'll put the names to both the top and the bottom on the screen. I'll also put the links to both the top, the bottom, and their website in my description down below. So if there's anything that you like or if you just want to check out their website, you can do that. So yeah, this is the outfit they sent me. It's super cute. I really like it. I love the jeans because I can wear them to work since there's no holes on like a casual Friday. And I love the shirt because I can wear it however I want it. I feel like it's really cute. So yeah, I just wanted to pause before we get into all the hair stuff, even though you got a little sneak peek, and show you the outfit from top to bottom. Now let's try this Dyson. Right guys, so when I received the Dyson, I also went on Amazon and I bought myself one of these little like continuous spray mist for your hair. It's like a spray bottle. I also use it for some plants that I have in my room. And I thought that I might be needing it just because to use this tool, it works best when your hair is wet and sometimes the ends of my hair dry super quickly, just like you saw. Either way, I just mist my hair a little bit so that it is a bit more wet. And I think it's time we dive in. Now, like I said, this is not a first impressions. I have used this product a bunch of times, probably like 10 times now. So this is by no means a first impression. This is more my review and my thoughts and what I think about the Airwrap, because as we know, this bad boy is super expensive. It's about $500 and a lot of people really just want to know, is it worth it? We all have our different opinions and I'm going to share with you mine today. So let's get started. First of all, you get this very luxurious heavy box. And when you open it up, you get all these different attachments. We're going to go over all of them. The most important part of this whole tool is of course what operates it all, which is this bottom piece right here. So let's go ahead and plug it in and then we'll start talking about each attachment and how to use it. We have the on and off button. You have your 3 temperature settings. I believe it's hot, medium, and cool. Also have your strength settings. Let's go for some attachments. So I kept the little guide that it came with so that I could be super informative for you guys. First, we have the pre-styling dryer. And it looks like this. Just attach it like so. Okay, and you'll see that it locks. There's like a lock. This is to pre-dry your hair. So this is not meant to completely dry your hair. It's not meant for that. It's meant to make your hair damp. You can just flip on. Dry your hair. Just like kind of a normal hair dryer. I'm gonna try to make this as short and sweet as possible. There's a lot of different attachments, but I did want to just go over everyone for you guys, just in case maybe you don't have it and you're interested in it. Next on our little guide here, they show us this attachment. You can see there's like little pink bristles. This one is for smooth and control. Creates a smooth, straightened style with soft ball tip bristles, engineering to be gentle on the scalp. I actually do use this one quite often before going in with all the other attachments because I like a sleeker look on the top of my head, so it's not like super puffy. I'm gonna show you how this works, but I just wanted to show you its sister. This is its little sister. It is basically the same exact thing, except it doesn't have those soft like bristles, the pink tips. Here's the difference. It says these firm bristles smooth and control your hair for a straighter style with less frizz and fewer flyaways. So they have a little bit of a different description, but I promise you I have used both and they do exactly the same thing. So it's really just up to your discretion. Then we have our round brush. So this is really what they use like in salons and stuff. And these long fine bristles direct air deep into the hair to give body, creating tension to shape hair as it dries. So we're gonna use this as well. And then what the Dyson Airwrap is famous for, the curlers. So they give you two different sizes of curlers. They give you a shorter, thicker one, 1.6 barrel, and then the 1.2 barrel, okay? So this one's thinner, this one's thicker, and they give you two of each. I did some digging and research before I bought the Airwrap, and I saw a lot of reviews talking about the longer barrels and how they hold more of a curl for your hair. So I went on to Ulta and I bought the extra long barrels. This does not come with the Dyson. You have to purchase them separately. You get both of them in a pack. I can link these down below definitely if you're interested. Yeah. So it really gets like all of your hair in. We're gonna be testing all of those out today. Now what's left is to start using them. The first thing I'm gonna do is we are going to go in with the straightening brush. I just happen to use the one with the pink bristles because I feel like it's a little bit softer on my hair. And the good thing about the Dyson, I should mention, is that it's supposed to be like way less heat damage for your hair, like almost no heat damage to your hair because it's not supposed to get that hot, and the technology is just way better for you. Okay, just shutting it off because you saw that I went through it a couple of times. I just wanted to show you kind of like the progress. Took some of the frizz away. A little wavy still, but definitely a lot more calm. It's definitely by no means pin straight. I think that it's just to take frizz out. I just smoothed it out a bit. I'm gonna give you just my thoughts on this. I am not the biggest fan. It makes my hair really puffy and dry looking on the ends. Definitely doesn't give me a straight look. I wouldn't go out with my hair just looking like this. I mean, I guess if you're looking for a quick dry with a little less frizz, it's fine, but I personally do not love it. The one thing I do like is that it does kind of flatten the top. Let's move on to the next attachment. Let's go to the round brush. I was definitely really excited about this one because when I go to a salon, a lot of times they are blowing my hair out with a barrel like this. So I was like, great, this is gonna be so easy because I could never do that on my own. I take a piece about this big and I start from the root and I wrap it and kind of just twirl it and twirl it about, kind of like how I do with my Revlon. If you want to see those videos, you can look at my page. I have a lot of videos about how to wave your hair with the Revlon. So it's kind of using the same technique, except this is a much tighter curl than what you're going to get with the Revlon. I'm going to test a hair strand out and show you what it looks like. This is what that piece look like. It's super bouncy and super curly, a little frizzy on the top. I go over it a lot of times and I just cannot get it straight on the top the way that I can with my Revlon brush, but it does definitely give a nice little curl at the bottom. I'll do another piece to show you. So here's another piece, super bouncy. It's cute, but it's definitely not my favorite. Now what you all have been waiting for, the curling wands. Okay, so we have the thick boys and we have the thinner ones. So I'm gonna show you both. All right, so I sectioned my hair and now we're gonna really test these out. We're going to do the entire head. So a lot of you might have seen that man on TikTok who worked for Dyson, and he kind of told us how to properly curl your hair. So he said the best thing to do is take a strand of hair. This might even be too big, but we'll try. Okay, turn it on and hold it like this so that this part is kind of like dangling, which will help wrap it, and then go up. Let it naturally go up on its own. Don't force it, don't wrap it yourself. Let it do its thing on its own. Hold it for about 10 seconds. Then if you push up, there is a blue dot right here. That gives you a cool shot. So he says to set it, cool shot it for 10 seconds, and then you will get like the perfect curl. Following all the instructions because I want to get the best results. All right, so here's our first piece. First of all, I think I took too big of a piece because see, this was like hanging out. Second, what works for me is to do my entire hair with the thicker barrel and then go in and use the thinner barrel in different pieces. Another thing that works best for me is leaving the curls as tight as they can be. And then once I'm done with the whole head, brushing my fingers through. This will make the curls last longer. I promise you guys, I have played around with this so much. If you brush it through right away, you're gonna get a wave. Don't brush out your curls until you are done with your entire hair, or don't brush them at all. Let them fall out on their own because they will fall on their own. So I also just want to point out, I know a lot of you guys may know this, there are arrows pointing each direction. Definitely make sure that you're looking at the arrows and that they're pointing away from your face. I'm gonna continue to do my whole head with the thick barrel on both sides, and then we will try our thin barrels and our long thin barrels as well. For a second. This is how my hair came out just using the thick barrel on this side. Maybe there's something I'm doing wrong. I never like how my hair comes out with this barrel or really with any of the curling barrels. We're still gonna try all of them, but my hair looks super short. Shorter than ever, shorter than when I Revlon it. I feel like this hair, not that it's a bad thing, but it's not my style and it looks like I'm from like the 60s or something. I mean, like, I don't know if you can see it. But I feel like up here in the root, my hair never gets flat. It makes me so sad because I feel like I'm the only girl in the entire universe, or only person rather, that doesn't love this hair tool. I mean, correct me if I'm wrong, but for $500, I should absolutely love it, and I don't. That was both sides of my head using the thicker barrel, but we are not done yet. No, this is a review. We're gonna go over all of the pieces. So we are gonna go with the smaller barrel that it came with, and we're gonna go in and do some smaller curls. Now I'm gonna show you this one. I'm gonna do about one or two, but then we're gonna change the longer barrel just because I feel like I like it better for my hair. And it's just a much like thinner curl. But I'm gonna go in with the longer, thinner barrel because it holds more hair. See how it kind of spread the hair out more? I really like that, so it's not as tight. It's a little bit more spread out, like if you were using an actual curling iron. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through my hair and I'm gonna add a bunch of these longer barrel curls, and then I'll do the same on the other side, and then we'll have our real final thoughts because we'll be all done. Well, all right, guys. guys, I just finished up. My camera actually died, so I finished the left side of my hair with the thin, long barrel. So I like to think of myself as somebody who's pretty good with using different hot tools and kind of working with the directions and working with my type of hair. This is the one hot tool that I feel like I can't get it right. I know I'm doing it right, but I don't like the results, and it's so frustrating. $500 was spent on this, probably over that during the Christmas season when I received it for Christmas. And this is not, to me, $500 quality. Now, I've watched countless tutorials of girls on TikTok, on Instagram, and they love it. And their hair comes out fantastic, amazing. It always looks so good on them. Maybe it's just not for my hair type. I don't like how my bang comes out. I've tried curling it up. You know, I've tried down this way. I've tried using the round brush. Nothing seems to get it the way that I like it. I'm not bashing the Dyson at all. I'm just saying, for me, it's personally not my favorite. If you have any suggestions for me, please comment down below. Tell me what you think about my hair looking like this, and be honest. And if you have any suggestions on what I can do to improve it, I'll drop it down below. I read every single comment. Take with that what you will. I hate sitting here, and I never want anyone to think I'm bashing a product, especially one that is so well known and so highly respected in the beauty community. Hi, this is actually future me here, and I wanted to show you that this is like about an hour later, and my hair did fall a bunch, and I do kind of like how it looks better now. Yeah, I want to show you guys that. So, all right, we'll cut back to not future me so I can give you my final thoughts. So yeah, those are my thoughts. Thank you so much if you made it through this far in the video and you are still watching. I hope I didn't bum you out too much if you want this product, because like I said, everybody's hair is different. I do suggest, if this is something that you're looking to buy, maybe if you have a friend or someone you know where you can go over and take a little trial before actually going through and buying it, that would be helpful, since everybody has a different hair type. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on your way out. It means so much to my channel as always, and we are more than halfway away from 1,000 subscribers, which is awesome. That would be like a huge milestone. Either way, I'm gonna go clean up this whole mess on my vanity because I have literally every single piece of the Dyson on here. So I'm gonna go clean up, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.